Yo, you're late.
Yeah, man. But you said
Tola! I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. Now tell me about yourself.
My name is Noko Mashaba.
Is that all you got?
What else do you want to know? Some people call me Shabza, but because you don't know me like that, you can call me Mr. Mashaba.
Yeah, man. You don't know how to answer questions.
Mr. Manager sir, the problem here is that your suit is too bright. Hey, nchitisha konagana man. Gape o ka re kwana banana ya X-Men.
Yeah, man. Why not on this cut some Popeye?
But you're the one who's got Skatsama Popeye coming to work in a Takalani suit. Who are you supposed to be? Moshe? Abash.
We are Delela Shem. Do you even have achievements?
Of course. I have 90 followers on Instagram. And I passed grade 12 without having a baby. As you can see, I am very busy. Busy achieving.
You're from Limbombo. What's your HIV status? Are you positive? No. We don't hire people from Limbombo here. Next thing you'll be lowering our stock with your HIV.
Nah, but you can't discriminate me like that. Just cause kitwa Limpopo era re kya lawyer, ebile ke na le HIV. O ga fa ga fisa mma. Ebile ka re wa mphape. I should call Pussy right now to come and deal with you.
Who is that? CCMA?
No. Worse than that. He's like Harry Potter on steroids and a homeboy yak.
Your hat.
Ach. Sure, Coco.
So, Mr. Mashab, can you start today?
And then, Mapimpan, are you lost?
No, sir. I just came here to get medication.
Medication for what?
HIV.
HIV? What does a young girl like you know about HIV and sex? Look at you. You should be worried about which diaper you're going to wear today, not ARVs. Hey! This child has demons, my good man, no. And she must not be trusted.
Hey, Malum. Hanili wish about Kamotoru.
Hey, mind your own business, when.
No, man. Can you also that things? 5110 years on a Luena. Busy harassing an iPhone 6. But I'm not surprised. Abo Aborere. Pella 5110 has only one game.
Can't you see this girl is too young? Look at her. She is young enough to be Kenny Kunena's girlfriend.
And one day you are old enough to be her ancestor. Happy we all know your credits are running out soon. I'm sure if I take you a picture, it's going to look like a TBT.
This child must fast for the whole year if she wants to be forgiven by the good Almighty God.
Waraf.
There is no place for people like her in heaven. I'm a pastor, I should know. Yeah, we clear my demon here. Get out of here, little girl. Chineke. She must come to Nigeria with some nairas. I will make sure she goes to heaven.
No, man. Telejam. I chose to deliver the Moyan for a living because they make me happy. And I want to make other people happy. The same should apply to you. You chose to be a nurse, and the only reason why you chose to be a nurse should be that you want to treat people equally and make them feel bad. What fella moo?
So, or we must just let her go sleep around and still give her medication when she gets sick.
Apo Bizur, this girl is sleeping around. You don't even know how she got infected with HIV.
It's obvious that she's been sleeping around.
And so what if she got HIV via sex? She doesn't have a right to medication now.
But sir, I have never had sex before. And I didn't choose to have the virus. I was born with HIV. I don't understand how this is my fault.
You see, all you do is open that horse pipe of yours.
Ah!